2024 was about hustle. 2025 is all about leverage. And that leverage is AI. You see, AI is the great multiplier. And if you don't want to miss out on this game-changing opportunity, then you need to know about these 5 AI businesses that people are cashing in on as we speak, regardless of your experience and with no upfront costs. And I'm going to rank each one of these businesses based off of profitability, difficulty, and startup requirements. And let me just say, you're going to want to stick around for the last one, as it's the exact model helping beginners earn more in their sleep than most do in a single week of work. So if you're tired of trading time for money and you're ready to let AI work for you, then stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a proven business model that you can start using immediately to generate income. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into business number 5. It's called AI blog creation with affiliate marketing. So who is this business really for? Well, if you're someone who enjoys writing, you want to build long-term passive income, or prefer staying behind the scenes, AI blogging is a perfect first step. Even in 2025, blogs still drive traffic, rank on Google, and quietly generate income through affiliate links and ad revenue. So basically, you're creating helpful content once and then letting it work for you around the clock. And how it works is simple. You just use AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to research trading topics in profitable niches. Think like tech reviews, fitness equipment, or home improvement. And then the AI will then write comprehensive blog posts comparing products, sharing tutorials, or solving common problems. Here's a quick step-by-step run-through of how you can start this business. First, you choose a niche that you're interested in. Second, you use AI to research the top 10 most searched problems in that niche. Third, you create solution-focused blog posts using AI writing tools. Fourth, you sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or specific brand programs. Then fifth and lastly, you just insert your affiliate links naturally within your helpful content. You see, the beauty is that once this is published, these blogs work 24/7. People search for solutions, find your blog, and then buy products through your links while you're doing other things. This is a long game. It can take months before your blog ranks on Google and builds steady traffic. And without SEO knowledge or consistent content output, it's definitely very easy to stall out. Plus, affiliate earnings are often small at first. So if you're looking for fast cash, this probably isn't your move. Now, here are the scores for this business model. For profitability, I'm giving this a 6 out of 10. While the income potential is solid once you build authority and traffic, it does typically take several months to see substantial returns, and you're limited by commission rates and traffic volume. Now, the difficulty level though is a 3 out of 10, making this the easiest business on our list to start, because AI handles all the writing, research, and content creation. So you don't need any technical skills or writing experience. And the best part is that the startup cost is absolutely zero. You can literally start this today with free AI tools and free blogging platforms. But listen, this is just the beginning though. The next one is where things get more interesting. So business number 4 is AI user-generated content creation. If you're someone who doesn't want to be on camera, but still wants to make money creating content, then AI-powered UGC is the perfect business for you. Right now, brands are scrambling for authentic-looking videos for TikTok and Instagram. And with AI tools, you can deliver exactly that without showing your face and getting paid thousands per clip. What makes this especially powerful is that there's tools like HeyGen and Synthesia that let you create ultra-realistic AI avatars that speak on camera for you. That means that you can produce product reviews and testimonials using digital actors, where you don't need any time to film yourself, hire talent, or worry about being on camera. You can build an entire cast of AI personas tailored to any niche, from fitness coaches to tech reviewers, all the way to everyday moms. These AI avatars never get tired, they never ask for raises, and they create unlimited content 24/7. You're not limited by your own demographic. Your AI team can represent any age, ethnicity, or background that brands want to reach. And here's a quick guide of being able to start this business. First is you sign up for AI avatar platforms like HeyGen, where many offer free trials. Second, create multiple diverse avatars to represent different demographics. Third, research brands and trading niches that need UGC content. Fourth, reach out to these brands offering packages of 5 to 10 pieces of AI-generated UGC. And fifth and lastly, charge $500 to $2,000 per package, depending on the brand size. Now, let me break down the numbers for this business. The profitability score here is a 7 out of 10. This business can generate solid income much faster than blogging, with experienced creators charging anywhere between $200 to $500 per piece of content, and the demand from brands is absolutely massive right now. The only catch is it's still new territory for a lot of brands. Some companies are skeptical about using AI avatars, or they just don't fully understand the value yet. So you need to educate them a bit or offer samples to get your foot in the door, which means you gotta do a little bit more upfront hustle, especially when you're starting from zero. But for difficulty, I'm rating this a 4 out of 10 because you'll need to learn how to use AI avatar tools and understand what makes effective UGC content. But the learning curve is manageable and most people can master this within a few weeks. Now the startup cost remains at 0, though you might want to invest in premium AI avatar tools once you do start making money. Listen, we're just now getting warmed up. But business number 3 is where the real money starts, and that's with AI thumbnail design. If you're someone with an eye for design, or you just want a high demand skill that you can monetize fast, AI thumbnail creation is a smart move. With over 2 billion users on YouTube, every video lives or dies by its thumbnail. Creators can spend 40 hours on a video, but if the thumbnail doesn't stop to scroll, it might never get seen. But that's where you come in. Listen, most YouTubers are terrible at design, spending hours in Photoshop or paying designers $100 to $300 per thumbnail. So for daily creators, that's thousands monthly just on thumbnails that they're spending. And that's where AI changes everything, where you can analyze successful thumbnails, feed that data to AI, and generate high converting designs in minutes. Tools like Midjourney create eye-catching visuals that would take professional designers hours to produce. And let me just say the market is massive. 37 million YouTube channels with thousands are joining daily. Each series creator needs 30 plus thumbnails monthly and pays a premium for thumbnails that increase views and revenue. And here's how you can get started. First, you need to learn AI image generation prompts for eye-catching designs. Second, study what makes successful thumbnails in different niches, like bright colors, clear text, emotional faces. Third, create portfolio examples using AI tools. Fourth, you'll reach out to YouTubers with 10,000 plus subscribers, so you can offer them different thumbnail packages. And fifth and lastly, start with $50 per thumbnail, and then scale to 200 plus as you prove results. And here's how this business ranks. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10 for profitability because the income potential is substantial once you do build a client base. Successful AI thumbnail designers are charging $50 to $200 per thumbnail like I just mentioned. And with regular clients, you can easily hit $10,000 to $20,000 per month doing this. Now the difficulty level is a 5 out of 10 because you will need to master AI image generation tools, understand design principles, and learn what makes thumbnails convert. But it's definitely learnable for anyone willing to put in the effort. Again, startup cost is still $0 if you use free AI tools. Though investing $20 to $50 monthly in premium AI image generators, this will significantly improve your results. If you want to build a YouTube channel, but you just hate being on camera, Faceless Channels are your lane. YouTube pays out over $15 billion a year, and some of the biggest earners never show their face. Thanks to AI, you can now create high-quality videos with zero filming, zero voice recordings, and minimal editing skills. It's the perfect model for creators who prefer to stay behind the scenes, but still want massive reach and revenue. AI has obliterated these barriers, as you can create entire videos using AI visuals from Midjourney, human-sounding AI voiceovers from 11 Labs, and AI scripts from ChatGPT, finance channels with AI-generated charts, productivity channels with animated workflows, motivational content with inspiring visuals, all created entirely with AI. And here's a quick starting guide to go ahead and get started today. First, you have to pick a profitable niche. AI, productivity, finance, self-improvement, whatever works best for you. Next, you'll use ChatGPT to research trending topics and create scripts. Third, generate visuals with Midjourney or stock footage. Next, you'll create professional voiceovers with 11 Labs. And fifth and lastly, you'll edit everything together using free tools like DaVinci Resolve. And the scoring breakdown for Faceless YouTube looks like this. For profitability, this gets a 9 out of 10. So the monetization is incredible. YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions, sponsorships, and digital products. Business niche channels with 100,000 plus subscribers regularly earn $10,000 to $50,000 monthly across all revenue streams. Now the difficulty rating is a 6 out of 10. While AI handles much of the content creation, you will need to learn video editing, understand YouTube's algorithm, master thumbnail creation, and develop consistency in content production. The startup cost is $0 to $200, as you can start completely free using basic AI tools and free editing software. But investing in premium AI voice tools and image generators will dramatically improve your content quality and growth rate. So maybe you've been listening and thinking all of these sound great, but which one gives me the best chance to start fast, learn real skills, and be able to scale big? Well, you're here for a treat, because that's where AI-powered dropshipping comes in. Finally, business number 1, and for good reason, my favorite on the list is AI branded dropshipping. It stands out not because it's perfect, but because it solves many of the issues that made traditional dropshipping so difficult. In the past, most people failed because they sold the same generic products, with cookie-cutter stores and poor branding that couldn't compete. But AI is changing that so fast. What used to take months of learning, store design, copywriting, product research, can now be done in a matter of hours. You're able to build a branded store, generate compelling product content, and test winning offers without needing a full team or deep expertise. Now, it's not effortless, but it does give beginners that speed and leverage that used to only be available to seasoned pros. Global e-commerce exceeds $6 trillion annually, and is growing 8 to 10% yearly. People want to buy from brands that they trust, not generic stores. Tools like AI Store Builder create complete conversion-optimized stores in minutes, handling product descriptions, brand stories, logos, and professional photos. While everyone else is learning the ins and outs of Shopify and copywriting, you're testing products and scaling campaigns. The speed advantage is incredible. Now, here's how to start. First, use AI to research trending products solving real problems. Second, create a brand identity using AI design tools. Third, build your store using the AI Store Builder, as it handles 90% of the work. And listen, I'll even prove it to you, and I'm gonna show you how fast you can build your store in only a couple minutes using the Store Builder. Now next, you wanna generate professional product content with AI writing and image tools. And fifth and lastly, you wanna run targeted ads using AI optimized copy and creatives. Now let me go ahead and break this down why this is ranked as number 1. First off, this gets a perfect 10 out of 10 for profitability, as the income potential is absolutely unlimited. I've personally seen students go from $0 to $50,000 plus per month, and there are also dropshippers making 7 figures annually. So the scalability is unmatched compared to any other business model that I shared today. Now for difficulty, I'm rating this only a 4 out of 10, and here's why. AI has eliminated the hardest parts of building an e-commerce business. Store design, copywriting, product research, and brand creation are all handled by AI, leaving you to focus on the strategic elements. The startup cost ranges from $0 to $200. You can technically start with no money using free trials and organic traffic, but having a small budget for testing ads will accelerate your success. Now, let me show you exactly how this works with the AI Store Builder while it is still free. And to follow along, you can find a link to it in the description right below this video. Because listen, this tool eliminates the biggest barrier to starting an online business, which is the full setup of your store. Most people are gonna waste weeks trying to design a store, write product descriptions, create brand assets, and figure out what actually converts. But with this AI Store Builder, it happens in minutes. So let me go ahead and show you how to get it set up. So step 1, you're gonna enter a product or a niche. This tool instantly suggests high converting products based off of current trends. So no more guessing on what to sell. The advantage here is that means that you're testing winners while everyone else is stuck researching. Step 2, you want to select a brand identity. This AI generates a professional logo, brand colors, and a store theme that actually looks like it came from a real design team, where you look trustworthy from day one, which is key to getting conversions fast. Step 3, it auto-generates your product descriptions, benefit-driven copy, and mock-up photos using lifestyle imagery, where you don't have to hire a photographer or spend hours writing. Your product page is ready in minutes and fully optimized for sales. Step 4, it packages everything into a fully built Shopify store. The layout, homepage, product page, FAQs, reviews, all done through this AI Store Builder. So while most people are still watching tutorials or hiring developers, you're already running ads and collecting sales. And the craziest part is you can build multiple stores in a single day, test different products, and double down on what works, all without burning out or going broke. So if you ever felt overwhelmed trying to build a store from scratch, this tool is that cheat code, as it flips the script from weeks of work to hours of action. And I dropped the AI Store Builder link below so you can use it for free, as this is the shortcut that I wish that I had when I started. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually execute this without getting overwhelmed? Most people know what business they want to start, but get stuck in that execution phase, where they have the information, but then lack the step-by-step guidance, funding, and support needed to actually build something profitable. While you're trying to figure everything out alone, others are working with proven systems and mentors who've already done this successfully. They're getting results in 90 days while you're still watching YouTube tutorials 6 months later. And this is exactly why I created the Auto Ecom $100,000 Challenge. It's a complete 90-day program where I help you build and scale an AI-powered dropshipping business, including access to up to $100,000 in funding to scale your winning products. This isn't about business building. It's about completely transforming your financial future using AI tools that do most of the work for you. And to sign up for the Auto Ecom Challenge, you can find the link to this in the description below this video. if you're ready to turn this opportunity into real income. So how does it all stack up? Some models, like blogging or YouTube, they build slowly but steadily, while others, like UGC or thumbnails, offer fast cash but limited scale. But AI-powered dropshipping stands out for one simple reason. It blends speed, scalability, and automation better than anything else right now. So if you're looking to move quickly and build something big, it's hard to ignore. 2025 is going to be the year of AI leverage, not human hustle. And the people who understand this shift and take action now will have an incredible advantage over everyone else still doing things the old way. You've got the tools to implement them, and you've got the support systems to succeed. Now, the only question left is, are you going to be someone who watches opportunities pass by, or someone who takes action and builds something incredible? Your future self is counting on the decision that you make right now. So start with one business from this list, commit to it for 90 days, and watch how AI can transform not just your income, but your entire life. And once you do pick your path, the next question is going to be, how do you actually get started the right way? Well, you know I got you covered. I break it all down in this video right here. It's called How to Actually Start Shopify Dropshipping for Beginners. Make sure to go ahead and check it out, and let's continue to keep building this generational wealth together. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.